How to close tab on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to close tab on Samsung Internet Browser. First then open the browser and now just click this here in the bottom corner, click on it, and then if you want to close any tab here, just click this X icon here, and as you see, just by one click the tab have been closed. And now let's try another tab like this one here. Just click here and that's it. It's easy, and that's how to close tab on Samsung Internet Browser. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.